Morning children. Today we will discuss about that class 8 linear equations exercise 3.3 children. Children, in previous lesson there also exercise 3.2. So some questions also deleted. That is there also 13th, 14th and 53 questions is not there children. That is then also is not used. That is also deleted. So next you want to go to exercise 3.3 children. So what is that 3.3? Solve the following equations and check then also 3 your results. See children, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18 is there. First one question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So say children, how we can find then also solve the following equations and check 3 your results. How we can find? Then also it is very simple question children. This one also. Okay, what we can take that one is very simple. Here 3x is there, here 2x is there children. You want to transport it, right, as it is 3x. This 2x when transported to the left hand side is minus 2x is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is equal to x is equal to 18. Very simple. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. These 2x will transport into the left hand side. Minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is equal to x. X is equal to 18. Very simple question. Children, next you want to take same like that only. Second question. What is that? 5t minus 3. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Children, this 5t right as it is and this 3t will transport into the left hand side means minus 3t is equal to minus 5. This plus 3 will transport into the right hand side means plus 3. 5t minus 3t means 2t is equal to minus 2. T is equal to minus 2 by 2. T is equal to what is that answer is minus 5. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. 5t, this plus 3t will come to left hand side is minus 3t is equal to minus 5. This minus 3 will come into right hand side is plus 3. 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. T is equal to minus 2 by 2. T is equal to minus 5. Any doubt children here? Children, now we want to take next question. What is that question children? 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Children, here also it is very simple. This 3x will transport into the left hand side. This plus 9 will transport into the right hand side. Right, as it is 5x. And this 3x will come to left hand side. It is minus 3x is equal to plus 5. This 9 will transport into the right hand side. It is minus 9. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. 5 minus 9 is equal to how much? Minus 4. Now you want to write x is equal to minus 4 by 2 and x is equal to minus 2. It is very simple children. Children, this is over. Next you want to take next question. What is that? Fourth question. 4z plus 3 is equal to 4z plus 3. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 6 plus 2z. Children, this 2z will transport into the right hand side. This plus 3 will transport into the right hand side. So 2z will transport into the left hand side and plus 3 will transport into the right hand side. Right here it is 4z. This 2z will transport into the left hand side, is minus 2z is equal to 6. This 3 will transport into the right hand side, means minus 3. 4z minus 2z is equal to 2z is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Z is equal to 3 by 2. Correct? So 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. 2z is equal to 3. Z is equal to 3. Any doubt, children, here? Children, next you want to take fourth question, fifth question. What is that? 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x minus x. Children, these minus x will transport into the left hand side and these minus 1 will transport into the right hand side. 2x, these minus x will come into the left hand side, means plus x 14. And these minus 1 will transport into the right hand side, means plus 1. 2x plus x is equal to 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. X is equal to 5. Okay. 2x plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. 2x plus x is equal to 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. X is equal to 5. Correct, children? Children, next you want to take next question. 8x plus 4 is equal to 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 of x minus 1. Children, 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x is 3x minus 3. Correct, children? This 3x will transport into the left hand side, this plus 3 will transport into the right hand side. 8x plus 3x will come into minus 3x is equal to minus 3. This plus 4 will transport into the right hand side, means minus 4. 8x minus 3x is equal to how much? 5x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 by 5. Very simple question. Children, you can understand this one. Okay, children, very good. Next, we want to take the next question. What is the next question? Shall I help children this one? Okay, very good, children. What is the next question you want to take? 7th question. Question number 7. What is that? X is equal to 4 by 5 of x plus 10. Correct? And 8. 2x plus 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 50 plus 3. Okay, this is the 7th and 8th question. Children, now we want to take here, we want to cross multiply with 5. 5 into x, 5x is equal to 4 into right hand side is x plus 10. Children, write 5x. 4 into x is 4x plus 4 tens are 40. Children, 5x. This 4x will transport into the right hand side. The left hand side is minus 4x is equal to 40. 5x minus 4x is equal to x is equal to 40. So, what to cross multiple? X into 5 is 5x. 4 of x plus 10. 5x. 4 into x is 4x plus 4 tens are 40. 5x. This 4x will come into left hand side. Minus 4x is equal to 40. 5x minus 4x is equal to x is equal to 40. Clear, children? Children, as well as you want to take here also. This 2x by 3 will transform into here. This plus 3 will transform into here. Okay? 1. This plus 3 will come to left hand side. Is minus 3 is equal to 7x by 15. This 2x by 3 will transport into the right hand side, means minus 2x by 3. Correct, children? So now you want to take here plus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. See, children, here 7x by 15 minus 2x by 3. You want to take LCM. 15 comma 3 LCM is 15 because 3 5 is 3 1 is 5 1. So 3 5 is 50. LCM is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 50. 7x by 15 into 15 minus 3x by 3 into 15. What divided by 15? 15 cancel. 3 5 is. So minus 2 is equal to 7x minus 3 5 is 15x divided by 15. You want to cross multiply, children. 15 2s are 30 minus 30. So sorry children, this is 15x. So minus 30 is equal to minus 15x plus 7x is equal to minus 8x. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 30 by 8. That means 15 by 4. See, children, once again I will explain this one. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. This 3 will transport into the left hand side. 2x by 3 will transport into the right hand side. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Children, now you want to take 15 and 3 LCM is 7x by 15 into 15 minus here 3x not 4x. Children, 1 minute here, then also little bit correction is there. 1 minute, children. Sorry. So I think 2x we wrote, that is 3x. So 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. 7x by 15 into 15 minus 2x by 3 into 15. What divided by 15? 15 cancel. 3 5 cancel. So children, minus 2 is equal to 7x minus 5 2s are 10x divided by 50. You want to cross multiply, children. 15 2s are 30 minus 30 is equal to 7x minus 10x means minus 3x. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 30 by 3. X is equal to 10. See, children, this is the question. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. This plus 3 will transport into the left hand side and this 2x by 3 will transport into the right hand side. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So children, 15 and 3 LCM is 15. 7x by 15 into LCM minus 2x with 3 into 15 LCM divided by 15. 15 1 15 is cancelled. 3 5 is 15. So minus 2. 7x into 1 is 7x minus 2x into 5 is 10x. So children, here minus 2 into 15 is cross multiple, means minus 30 plus 7x minus 10x is equal to minus 3x. Minus minus will cancel. X is equal to 30 by 3. 3 10 is 30. X is equal to 30, children. Children, you can understood this one. Okay, children. Next, we want to go to next question. You can understood this one. Very good. What is the next question? Children, now we want to take 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus 5, and the 10th one 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 3. Children, very simple questions this one. These are all very simple questions. Don't confuse it. Okay, children. See, children, this 2y is there. This minus y will transform into the left hand side, means plus y is equal to 26 by 3 is there. This 5 by 3 will transform into the right hand side, means minus 5 by 3. 2y plus y is 3y is equal to, denominator 3 is there. 26 minus 5 minus 5. 3y is equal to 26 minus 5 is 21 by 3. Cancel it. 3 7 by 21. 3y is equal to 7 means y is equal to 7 divided by 3. This is y is equal to 7 divided by 3. See, children, once again. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus 1. This minus 5 will transform into the left hand side, is plus 5. This 5 by 3 will transform into the right hand side, is minus 5 by 3. 2y plus y is equal to 3y. So here 3 is LCM, 26 minus 5 by 3. 26 minus 5 is 21 by 3. 3 1 is 3 7 is 21. 3y is equal to 7 means y is equal to 7 by 3. This is also over. Children, now you want to take here also 3m. This 5m will transport into the left hand side, is minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus 5m plus 3m is equal to minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Children, minus minus will cancel. M is equal to 8 by 5. This 2 will come into denominator into 2. 2 1s are 2 4s. So children, now we want to write here M is equal to 4 by 5. This is the question. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m, this plus m will transport into the left hand side, is minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus 5m plus 3m is equal to minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus minus will cancel. M is equal to 8 by 5 into this 2 will come to denominator. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. M is equal to 4 by 5. Any doubt, children, here? So this exercise is completed, children. Tomorrow we want to discuss about the 3.4 some more applications of linear equations. Okay, children, any doubt here? Okay, children, thank you.